Hi. Recently we are unable to check our video numbers we uploaded to YouTube. This is missing from both, from the channel Creator Studio and from the YouTube search also. So, let's know the uploaded video numbers of own and others' channel easily. For this, simply go to Social Blade. Type the channel name. And at the first, look upon uploads. The number of total uploads are 577. It means I have uploaded 577 videos as of now. Now, if I go to PewDiePie's channel, the total upload is 4690. And finally, German Leher. It has 39 videos altogether. So, this is the quick and reliable way to KNWO the numbers of videos you have uploaded to your channel and also to know other channels. Hope you find this video useful and please subscribe to Josephit. Goodbye.